So the Maverick is at odds with some of my Liverpool friends this evening. Because along with celebrating the big win over FC Roma in the first leg semi-final of the Champions League, I also dare to raise some concerns over my team's repeated failure to close out games with better game management from the coach from the bench and from the players on the pitch. And this after leading 5-0 and being in full control, we let Roma back into the semi-final by letting in those 2 late goals. And this is now a worrying trend for my team, Liverpool. My counterparts say no. Real Liverpool fans don't find fault with them team and should never highlight the negatives and should only find positives and blah, blah, blah. This is crazy. This is like having a brother or a sister or a son or a daughter, and anything them do, if them rob and thief, broke people's house and pick people's pocket, me as them big brother or them father, because them is my blood family, I love them, so I cannot or should not criticize or correct them or tell them, say, either thing them a keep up. This is not positive enough. But you know, here what me I tell my Liverpool friend names, you know. You support your team how you want to support your team, and me will support my team how me want to support my team. Right now, I give thanks for the 3-goal advantage. It look like it's a Liverpool Real Madrid final, but still, me not lie, we let Roma back into the game. Yes, yes. Klopp for manage the game better and steal up the 5-love. Right now, going into that second leg, the Maverick nervous, yes. That's why I'm nervous. Me not talk, man. Me nervous. Me nervous. See it,